Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katy, aka Tattooed Mama, and I am always a hot mess. I'm pretty sure some of you guys are sick of hearing me say that, but I'm cleaning today. Even when I don't clean, I have my hair up in a crazy bun, plus this scrunchie is just like one of those really soft ones, and I love it. I love wearing it. I'm wearing my hangry shirt and my supernatural pants. Super comfortable, and today I decided that I'm going to do another speed clean video. I'm so excited. You guys have seemed to really love these videos, so anytime I clean, I'm like, okay, gotta do a speed clean video, not only for you guys, but for me, just because it makes it so much funner, and I feel like I get a lot more. Is funner a word? I think it is, but it makes it like, it makes it fun for me, and I feel like you get like a lot done. Now, I am one that I love a clean house. My house is like, it's not cluttered, and I mean, I have a 2-year-old boy. You guys will see in his bedroom, he needs some of his toys picked up, but other than that, throughout the week, I really keep this house clean, but there are times where the house does need deep clean. Now, today, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing some dishes, vacuuming, doing the floors and things like that. There's some random things sitting on the table that need to be picked up. There's some Christmas decorations that still need to be put away. And yeah, just basic stuff like that. Pretty much we're kind of doing a deep clean. I think if I was to do like a really major deep clean, I will do another video on that. And that's like dusting like these crazy shelves right here. And right here that my boyfriend has all of his D&D stuff on, like wiping doors down and all that. But I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to do some basic deep cleaning stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I really appreciate all you guys' support. If you don't follow me on Snapchat or Instagram, then go do that. It's Katy_love_makeup. I try to post there as often as I can. If you guys have a YouTube channel and you do speed clean videos or you do makeup videos just like me, comment down below. I would love to support you guys. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy, and let's get to cleaning.
I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. I'm conquering this fear, I'm busting through the ceiling. I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. I'm conquering this fear, I'm busting through the ceiling. I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. I'm conquering this fear, I'm busting through the ceiling. I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. Conquering this fear, I'm busting through the ceiling. Busting through the ceiling, busting through the ceiling.
I've been running, running, running away from you. I've been trying to keep my cool.